Measuring the deflection of a pile head when a load has been applied is a method commonly used to determine pile integrity. In these tests, dial indicators are placed on the pile to measure deflection, and using either a force gauge or a pressure sensor on a hydraulic jack, the applied load is measured simultaneously. Often this involves a technician taking these readings manually and transcribing them for later processing. Not only does this entail the possibility of data recording errors and cost the technician time, but it presents a significant safety hazard with the technician having to be near a pile with an applied load for a large part of the test in order to take readings. Motionics seeks to mitigate these problems and automate this process with the Wireless Pile Load Test Kit. This Pile Load Test Kit allows users to wirelessly monitor, record, and export readings from their smartphone, tablet, or Windows PC. The kit consists of Bluetooth deflection and load gauges that transmit data wirelessly to you. There are a variety of devices that can be used, such as Bluetooth dial indicators or BlueDials, with differing range and resolution options, Bluetooth pressure sensors, and a variety of Bluetooth load gauges for compression loads, tension loads, and more. These devices work with Motionics software, MultiGage, which has a variety of features to offer flexibility and ease of use and is available for iOS, Android, and Windows. The user can view readings from multiple sensors at the same time from their device and record data in either single capture or continuous mode with user-defined recording intervals. The load against deflection plot is presented live in a user interaction-enabled graph. Once your test has been completed, you can save the data locally and export it as a CSV. When using MultiGage on a Windows PC, you can let the software directly stream data to Excel and automatically fill out data fields in your own Pile Load Test Report template. You can also use our iOS Pile Load Test app, which is made specifically for pile load testing and comes with pre-made test report templates. By automating data capture and report generation, Motionics software suite and wireless measurement devices make for a faster, more cost-effective process and make pile load testing more efficient, more accurate, and much safer. To find out more, you can visit us at motionics.com. Thank you for watching.